This breakout song from Kim Wilde charted so well in its first week, it was suspected that foul play was responsible for its record sales. Was it really that good? Well, stick around because I'm going to share a few more interesting facts about this song and Kim Wilde, as well as I'm going to teach you how to play it on acoustic guitar. Hey there, budding Campfire guitar heroes, it's Dean again, bringing you those forgotten songs we all love to remember. And welcome to another episode of my quirky, cool English song series where I've recently brought you these great tunes. But today you're going to learn this ripping song from 80s heartthrob Kim Wilde. So to get started, I recommend you download the free one-page song sheet from my Patreon page, all the details below. And while you're there, give a shout out to my number one, my very first patron, Michael B, who's still supporting me today. Michael, thanks for supporting me. So Kids in America was the first hit for Kim Wilde, released in 1981. It made it to number 2 on the UK charts and number 30 on the US Billboard charts. Now, not many people know this, but it was co-written by her brother Ricki Wilde and her father Marty Wilde, who are both accomplished performers and musicians in their own right. In fact, Kim's dad, Marty Wilde, was a huge name in the UK in the 1960s as an actor and teen heartthrob singer with a huge number of hits in his own right. Anyway, it was Kim who got noticed one day at the record label when she was doing backing vocals for one of her brother's songs. The record label loved her look, loved her voice, and said, "We need to get her a song." So seizing the opportunity, her brother, her dad, and herself went home, and over a couple of days, they wrote up Kids in America. Interestingly enough, the inspiration behind the song was her dad's view that all UK kids aspired to this lifestyle that they saw American kids having. And that was, beautiful sunshine, convertible cars, great music, jukeboxes, milkshakes, the whole lot. My favourite line in the song is the most bizarre: New York to East California. Look, I don't know if you've looked on the map lately, but East California probably puts you right in the middle of the Mojave Desert, which is probably a reflection of the songwriters not really knowing that much about America as they thought. Or better still, was the lyric purposely crafted just to create the intrigue? Ooh. Anyway, it's a song I fondly remember, and it truly launched the career of Kim Wilde. Look, it's now time to show you how to play this, so what we need to do is get out of this studio, pick up a guitar, and go and find a campfire. I'll see you on the other side. Okay, Kids in America, the original key was B flat, but I'm going to play it on the E chord, and I'm using a capo on capo 3. And remember, I'm a left-handed guitarist playing on a right-hand strung guitar, so my finger patterns may appear upside down to some of you. Don't let that worry you, because I'm going to put the chord patterns on the screen right there, and you can follow along. No worries. The original tempo of the song is pretty quick, 160 beats per minute. I may play it slower just for the purpose of the lesson. Okay, let's get into the intro and the verse. The chords are E, D, C, D, and A. So I'll just demonstrate the first verse to you now, starting on the E chord. Looking out a dirty old window, down below the cars in the city go rushing by. I sit here alone and I wonder why. E, down strums. D, C, so as you can see, it's a lot of high speed down strumming. Let's just look at that strumming pattern now. I'm really just going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. All down strums. That's pretty much the whole song. Play it at whatever speed you want. I know the original's at 160 beats per minute, but you can just slow it right down to a speed that suits your level. Okay, we go straight into the pre-chorus. That comes right off the back of the first verse. So, I search for the beat in this downtown, the young ones are going. Downtown, the young ones are growing. straight to the chorus, which starts on a C. We're the kids in America, whoa. We're the kids in America, whoa. Everybody lives for the music go round. Back to the second verse. Bright lights and music gets faster, and so on. Hey folks, one quirky thing about YouTube, did you know that 94% of everyone that watches my videos are not subscribers? So if you want to stay in touch, I recommend hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and stay in touch with my weekly tutorials. And probably the best bit of the song is what we call the post-chorus, where everyone can get along and get involved and sing with this one. So we're on the E, we've just finished the verse, and then you go that la 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 E. Alright, let's do that now. So the chords for that are E, la la to a G, la 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 to a D, la la to a C, la 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 D E, D, la 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 absolute best part of the song is the outro, where it just finishes off. You could do this forever, and the outro follows immediately from the post-chorus. So you finish the post-chorus on the E, which I just showed you, and that picks up the outro. Now the outro is E, C, and A. We're the kids, C. We're the kids, A. We're the kids in America. We're the kids. Kids, A. And that last little variation is just the A sus4. I'll put the chord pattern on there. I'm just using my finger to finger the second string, 3rd fret. That's the second skinny string, 3rd fret. And honestly, you could play that over and over and over again until either your fingers get tired or people actually get sick of singing the song, which I doubt. Hey folks, as I mentioned before, don't forget to download the 1-page free download song sheet at my Patreon page. All the details below. Thanks for watching folks. I know you got a lot of choice on YouTube, so the fact that you chose to watch this one means a heck of a lot to me. I'm looking forward to seeing you again. Don't forget my series I'm doing on this, Quirky English Song Series. All those tunes are up there. Leave a couple of links in the descriptions below. But until next week, remember Campfire Guitar Hero, where all you need is a few chords, a few friends, maybe a few drinks, and everyone's a rock star.